In digital SAT, the calculator is allowed throughout the exam. And when I say the word calculator, the first impression is like you can use it to do the calculations only. But let me tell you, if you know how to use the calculator effectively in your exam, you are going to solve many questions, just like the system of equations, the quadratic equations, parabola questions, with the help of Desmos itself, without even doing a single calculation. So we have done the concepts, we have done enough concepts. From now onwards, I am going to use Desmos in the same way as you will be able to solve it in your exam. And let's see how effective that can be in reducing our calculations and whatever. So let's start from here. Question number 21. In this question, I am going to solve it for simple arithmetic calculations. The regular price of a shirt at a store is $11.70. The sale price of the shirt is 80%. Oh my god, big sale is going on. Less than the regular price. And the sale price is 30%. Okay, another situation is there. Let's break this question into two parts. That is the first part. So let's calculate the sale price first. So sale price is whatever is the price, regular price of that shirt, due to 80% discount, let's subtract 80% of this amount so that we can get the sale price of the shirt. Okay. Now here the calculator comes into picture. Let's do it. I'm going to give input here 11.70 minus, okay, let me start from minus 80%. Now because there is no percentage sign here, so it's not a good idea to find where is a percentage sign or what. Just press percent. Off will come at its own. 11.70. So sale is price is 2.34 only. Wow. So sale price is $2.34. The shirt whose actual cost is $11.70. Now you are going to get it $2.34 only. Awesome. Now let's see the next part. And the sale price is 30% greater than the store's cost for the shirt. Now here is a concept. Whatever is the reference price. For example, here in the first situation, reference price is regular price because we are comparing sale price with the regular price. And that is why we took 11.70. Now the sale price is 30% greater than the store's cost. So here this is the reference point. And we don't know that, so let's take it as X. So because sale price is 30% greater than this, so whatever is the cost, if you add 30% of that cost into it, that will be your sale price, and which is 2.34 we have just calculated. So X plus 30% of X is this. So 1.3X is equal to 2.34. Again, you cannot give this input into the graph, into the calculator itself. You have to reach till here. So 2.34 divided by 1.3. Okay. Press enter. So 2.34 divided by 1.3, that is 1.8. Okay, let's go back to the question. X is equal to 1.8. So that is the cost for the cost for the store. Okay, that is what the question is. What was the store's cost in dollars for the shirt? Disregard the dollar sign and enter your answer. So that means you have to enter only 1.8, not $1.8. Okay. Okay. Now let's come to next question. I have written here the game of pi. Let's see what's the meaning of this. cube has an edge length of 68 inches. Okay. A solid sphere with a radius of 34 inches is inside the cube. Now, uh, you know, I have just started analyzing this question. 68, okay, 34, half of it. That means the radius is touching the cube from all the sides. The imagination is going on such that the sphere touches the center of each space. Oh, space of the cube. We have already judged it. To the nearest cubic inch, what is the volume of the space in the cube not taken by the sphere? This not is highlighted here. So this situation is something like this, right? There's a cube and the sphere inside is touching it from all the sides, and these are the midpoints like from every side. So how much space is left? This much. This value you have to calculate. That means if you subtract the volume of sphere from volume of cube, that will be the remaining volume which is required. And what is the volume of cube? That is whatever the side length cube of it minus volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi radius cube. Now what are the values? 68 is the side length minus 4 by 3 pi and 34 is the radius cubed. Again, I'm going to use calculator for this. Okay, let's press enter to move to the next point. Okay, 68 cubed, again press this, minus 4 divided by 3. Okay, if I press pi, it will be with 3. No, we don't want that. We need pi here in multiplication. So press this arrow. Pi, what is the radius? 34 cubed. So 149795. And if you round it off, that will be 796. So that is, okay, 149796. Okay. Now, why I have written came of pi? Maybe you are using it like 1 by 1 4 by 3 pi r cube, and pi can be 22 by 7 and pi can be 3.14. It may affect your answer, right? So if that is the case, only last two digits will be a little bit different. Otherwise, your answer would be same. So if you are getting these two digits a little bit different than with that, that's okay. That is due to pi, right? You are doing